Today we are making the last of the free 4 recipes from 50 Salads. This one is called Amazing Asian Radish. And here it is. It's quite impressive. It's so very pink. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and the other free salads. There's lots of free recipes on Rawmunchies.org, not necessarily salads obviously. We have smoothies and noodles and pizza and lots to choose from. I also do Q&A videos for people wanting to know more about this raw vegan lifestyle, and of course there's the books. So I'll see you there, and I'll see you in the next video.